Unong ilam ke Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya lane JACBOM uba Arwin kes sutengah. Ula pentip mentagasngi ke khatandai trik uno pra arjar poar. Baka kenhun kalau UJOR MUKOTDUMA syaka yengka syari Meghalaya High Court persya eka Memorandum of Understanding lane MoU ke balai soy habdeng Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Assam uhi menta beswa sarma bat Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Meghalaya u Konrad ke Sangma. Haka arp khandai trik ule bayar arjar poar. Uba Erwin ulong baka map jongka distrik Khasi and Jantia Hills District house nem Syajar Praspa khandai punriu kandai ka wei ka nong rem baki Khasi ki doni ki kot kisla halor uput usam.
Hagani ka jingkot ke jongi ya ka press briefing ya ka halor ka kam border bat ka kam bala ada file ka writ petition ru na kalian ka JACBOM bat ki nong secharge nong bat ki price nong nang tu apa ka Meghalaya High Court ka jing kami ulti ke jongi ka long ba ngin file ka petition sipo Supreme Court harai hobna Julai UCM Malem Jirang nong acting CM nong spung bat usoda nong lang kilat sa Supreme Court bahade magilala sa Supreme Court ni dang hapadang gajing pengkrai ki court islah ni dang pengkrai ka petition ki dong ni yo e gajing tip ba ka Supreme Court kala reject ya petition bat ka pha ki banlet sa Meghalaya High Court halor kani kanong rim ni i baki CM mana kani kila file tambah kalau baki file tang sawut biang hi te halor kanong rim pada bangi ngila sim mekarai ban file ke petition ngiru ngila file ke petition hakani kete ola ada tagas ngi ba bat la list ka kum ka writ petition number 502 of 2022 dan cuba ni pergi listing juga High Court case number ketiga 1 WP in bracket C stroke 502 stroke 2022. Te hadu penginjau ikan ni 4 allocate ya ka kes haka court re hadim badingi sutu ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala file ya ka appeal haka tu kes jong kisim kala file ya ka appeal sa division bench but haka ni Friday la mention ya ka kes po division bench but la community ba in place ya kani haka division hapa ka vacation bench tam sula play biang kakut hakini ki hopna January buat la kadai ka positiro namar ka matter of urgency ka tang hi te ngi community ba nyo place ka ni hak mat ka vacation bench na kwa ben patay SHA hi ba ngi klem kwa ban lech ka kot klem da biang kot isla buon gila ya ki pai ba tam ki bom sutu ki bom tip ya ke eki jing sisang nga kwa mempecai mutak siba ngila ya tristam ngaban ai ka jing ai khule ya ka tim ko junga ki jong ba basuk lang khongwar advocate kong Agnes Duya advocate but i legal paralegal assistant di jungi i kong Rosa ba kila ya tristam rengkat bat katim ke jungi hadali nabar kamdai bangim don katim hadali idon rogi Supreme Court lawyers hapok ajing baik jongu manusia uliu Abhishek Manu Singh u Prasanto Sen senior advocate u Ranveer Singh advocate u ya rapi bat kibai bat nalor kata kamtam ke tristom jeng baras secretary MPSO ke balik merek kalen sodong penpoi kot isla iba jana kamtam iba estancing jana nong bet di sedar jong nong wa motumur iba la ai pun ki kot ki bela yarap hai ni bat kadon ki cinjaru entah buka ima wa motumur bat ki area ki pangin ya yu ngin saya pencah hit ke SHA bangannya cik syakapang kani ke kopi jong harit petition ngila trace ya ke history jong kaput usam nadu kapur karen kat news pa nyokun rew terter ngila airu iki notification jong ka sarkar pare kabaki transfer ya kini ki areas napo ki himakasi siapa ka Kamrup district kapur karen ngila Kamru ya ke Jaka kamtam menta ba hadir ke jing tristom bat ka bor jo mulai ka bulu kurku ini ba ulai isnai ya ka apot jong gajai menreu ba ni yo menta da ka jing tristom jong ba moina sin pelot MDC jong kan artiam konstitusi pemencua mengaplit tapi ya kani kasabut kabas kempam ya ki Jaka ki bangila du kani kani kamap kabak praspa kendai penreu kabala draw kabala penmi da usurveyor general jong British India kabagade ka wei ni ki nongrem kan ongi piang ni ka pasai ka wei na ki nongrem kabah ka kendai spa propulai hapdeng ka jinga kren Hiteshwar Saikya au Captain sama ba Hiteshwar Saikya kira keren ya kani kum ka nongrem badan kamban sim ya kini ki pot sodong nomor kini ki poi shadow sarma ki poi shadow gawati ki poi kalen sodong kamtam ya ke area ka bahap ka block 1 block 2 kala kedo syai ba ka hap Kasih Hills district kani shwa bakin pempat paria bande ki kam ki bakila le ka notification ba si ya kendai spa san puwing kani kama kadi ke nuksa ka pasai kedar menta kamtam ba ka ketu kasngi ka bangile ya kenduk mo ba jana manga ngile ya kenduk yo additional director jongga Meghalaya survey bau ong ni ki khasi jongi ki bom judon ko dar sta ki usia kam da katin usia kam do ma hang ne nga ongi i pi klemle e ka homework ka jong pi ba bat ka sarkar MDA ro ka klemle e ka homework ka jong ka nomor ba ki deliberations ki jinga kren ki jinga tai ki balong benia ki de hakani ka report ka bakat nice pa ka pulai ka bangalungo balai ba ki pidiang ya kata kat nice pa kat wai te ka kat nice pa kat wai la de penyap da resolution jong ka Meghalaya assembly baki ong don kam man pha sia ka central government bakan rai ka central government kani hakani ka propulai kalau long detail hadu kata na sutra pa itu ipi ba kilong syua man syua ki jongi kamtam nadu kapten sama ba bring ter ba lapang la de pipet ya ke jingtrai ki jongki sebut ki jingtrai ki jongki ki sung tho bamlong man kata ya ka aka kabala man kala ka dingba ka ban thang ni ka jek ben ki jongi hanrei ka bang sutra ba hagani ka report ka map khat khandai spa kat praspa khandai kunreu kadai ko wei ka nongrim ka baki ki ong dek don kam pesu hanrei ngapai hang ni wasam ukelain cikelan tre ban accept ikati ila umno ni wan ra ikani ka map haka Meghalaya ko badan burang macam ngam kwa ban lek ngam kwa ban kentho kai ka bala ban long ka ji kentho ka ba kata ka kes ka jong hi po Meghalaya ko nomor ki ong bagadi subjudice andrai na syukwa ban pentip yo pai ba jong kari baka kam kala po ka kot ni don ka ching sania ka pura ya ka Meghalaya High Court mangilai i ba ka ni ka state ka jongi ladam don syo ka Meghalaya High Court lakut menengi u modi u prime minister modi u ong kumno 1,000 crore la pelot iki surok ki national highway ki surok hapo ka ni ka state Dena kapasusi ka lomba ka Meghalaya High Court ka kes ka don Meghalaya High Court mar porok surok la jot lot borok surok la jot lot lain nang ni hajwai ni balai be ka kes hajwai ni be ka kes wat ka surok nong stain dok last time train deh kalenti jwai lain na ya krajo kilenti hapo asar pai kai ke baja hanrei 1,000 crore la de palai tekani kadi kerukam trekam jong ka sarkar MDA ka balong threat copy paste kumangal om chua copy paste su copy paste ya karai ke bak assembly kat kendai spak kat way karai ya ka boundary issue ke bala kentai ke assembly kidang pelong kam ya kan ni pada ka badon lot kicing sisa kimia keren ya kan ni temanta haba pim tra ekran nin se ekran hakot nin se ekran hakot
Kani ka repetition
file ngan pulih pitang yaki mat kiba ya ka prayer ka jumi Young in the premises aforesaid, your lordship may be graciously be pleased to A. Declare the memorandum of understanding dated 29/03/2022 as violative of the constitutional provisions and in particular 6th schedule and be declared null and void. Declare all the executive actions taken by the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya pursuant to the memorandum of understanding MoU dated 29/3/2022 as null and void as having no constitutional validity. Ngan sa point sa constitutional validity. Direct the two government of Assam and government of Meghalaya to be restrained from diluting the areas covered by the 6th schedule by resorting to extra constitutional measure. Nomor kini area kini part and parcel of Khasi states. Khasi states fall under the 6th schedule. D. Direct the Union of India to provide to appoint, constitute an interstate council under Article 263 of the Constitution to resolve the long pending dispute between the two states of Meghalaya and Assam in according with constitutional means within reasonable time frame or pass such other orders as your lordship may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Ngandum let saka detail nomor boleh kani kadang day ka deliberation kadang day ka ban ya saat kadang day ka ban ya pen baik pok kakut ngandum keren kiba na keren tang ke ka ban ipang ni
Pikir ni spanga ni MoU yang muka tuan bakan pesan ni kena violation kata constitutional ini kalau persyaratan kata ka British saja
right
tapi kalau pidon persyaratan ni apa kita
ngan pai sa report pulai The representatives of Meghalaya during discussion held the strong view that such an interpretation is limited in as much as de facto possession would mean only the areas falling within the boundaries of the erstwhile Khasi and Jaintia Hills district and would be the territory under Meghalaya and not the areas known as the Khasi states as specifically mentioned in the Constitution. The constitutional provisions of the areas known as the Khasi state would be superfluous if the contention of the Assam side is accepted as correct. The Assam side stated that as this matter would necessitate interpretation of constitutional points, the matter may be discussed in a higher forum. Bale, the original description jonga Khasi Jaintia Hills district hakatokopor kadai ki erstwhile Khasi states but ki British area. Kabamut, without taking into consideration what has been transferred, the orders transferring the areas into the district of Kabruk, Haji Shah, by the instrument of accession, they have become null and void. Therefore, the status quo as per the 1896 INSA, as per the 1896 map, stands. Nalor kata, kila ong ba, vi nomor beli ka boundary jong Khasi states, ka boundary jong ka ayu, kadaiba in the original 6th schedule ka para 20 ka describe iki boundaries claim the don ka light no tang ya ka light no hadim pada ki amen biang nomor beli la ot how kat kendai spot san way la ot ya ka block 1 block 2 napo Jaintia district. The constitutional position is that hakapor balawan ke Indian Independence Act, Section 7. Hadim bala sign ke Section 7 ke all existing treaties and sanats with existing tribal chiefs authorities would lapse. Telah lapse. So, the position, the status quo, ke restore ke status quo ante, ke pre-status quo, kemut before the British took over. Government the map of 1896. Kata-kata legal portion. Now, habaki ong the boundaries ka para 20 hanggang tukupor yang discussion ka ong as per the boundaries of the Khasi and Jainti Hills district and the Khasi states. Kata-kata portion that has to be defined. Ndai kata the constitutional aspect kabang ihap along very clear kalong ba. We were included in India only by the process of the Instrument of Accession and Annex Agreement and Constitution. There was no merger. There was no merger. Therefore, the status quo ante at the period before 1896 and on the basis of the map of 1896 has to be the starting point of discussion. There can be no 2 points about it. Kamdan sudah kebeganti. Ihapan discuss pa iya kan ika point. Nomor hal ni lakdaw siya kini area Khasi Jainti Hills. But kila kentup lang yaki Khasi State sa 1896. Hindi bagi kilong outside yaki Khasi State. The whole of the district kila kentup yaki. Hindi tangata ki notification kiba hadin ki 1878 ka notification. 1921, kani hadu 90, this has been corrected up till 1910. Nang ta hakani lele kipan iba kalup kapoy hadu sama river. That means this whole area it comprises kanika the Khasi Jainti district kibangi omata ki riboy ka Jainti Hills terter ke West Khasi Hills, ke Bakta, sa siya malapkala. Kamay kuli Bakta po, River District. Nangakuha man sa Block 1 and Block 2. Ka Block 1 and Block 2, kisaya ka dengan notification capitalized pa san puway. Kay error ni. Ka paragraph 14, jong ka 6 schedule ka prescribe ba Deban ka Commission of Inquiry. Suapa pinpia kita. Hatu kupor impat don diskon suruh. Kaji kali ke jonga kalamba, sanu kata ke report jonga 1951 Commission of Inquiry. Kabau governor has to act as per the constitution. Kamta mabu kuni eka tribal land ke jonga. Hadu matang amios ba manu ban kali. Where is the report of the Inquiry Commission? Kat kom kacing tip ke jonga. Nomor kini ikut kislah kidon cipo asa. Nimpat yo lah tang mengidang yang clear mataban yo itu 4 dep ketu Commission of Inquiry. It's still pending. Hang jo popor ka Block 1 ka 1957 survey ka. Hani nga kwa banbu ba kadon sa ka report UAE hit USDO. Hagapor pare. Kadon ba nga manta? Kilishin. Kadon ba nga manta? Kabala indicate baro ki areas jong Block 1, Block 2. Bagi hak apa kerja di Hills District. Lalu apa? Takadaw, mentah ke ika mengadon kambanong kalong ba the 1951 notification 13 April 1951 is in fact an illegal notification. Number nobody has been made aware of the Commission of Inquiry report. What did it say when they were going to transfer it? Kani ka report yung hit kadi 1883. Kani kamday tangka kabasuong ba Arwin. Kini substantial proofs bangidon kaba ki areas ki jongi lasyu kini iki. Berkato ka mga sedyong. Prahajar hados 4,000 square kilometer. Lalay cho asam. Usyong halar kito na tao soong. Ngin IP kanimo. Ulong tek kumurong hayeng jonga. Usong ha kamera tia. Usongnya ngan sa IP ni kamera song kai jempi dia mo sabi. Tek kom da. Mdan mlai nang. Mentah ka ka jing ka jongi kalomba ka sarkar MDA. Kala feeling totally. Nanangaw rin pa ba ka JACBOM ka private organization. Gila ban yo kini ko. Kuno ka sarkar kam tip igini. Ki kramela huma ki kremi pulih kot menmit. Kena you menmit. Kata kecil kali ke bagi hapan kali. Kum ki public representatives ni expect bakin krekot. Kin wat ni kecing sisa. Te ngai ige don sekretariat hadu kan obje ta hadin kata pada kela you. Kata kecil kali ke ba ki pai ba ki hapan kali. Nomor suapa pimi supaya ba suapa pimi akan do asam. Bila ada men opek kani kali ke posian ke sini. Ya kata da kabupuram yo kapten sama kabupuram ba bring puram yo ba lapang terter ki simistar ki bla ki yang baik ki nong rem jong ka constitutional position ke sini ngadong jo. Hakapor ba ka Chandrachur committee. Ka submit ka report ke jong. Ka mengalai klem priang nomor beli klem take into consideration ni ka constitutional rights ke sini. Therefore that report became null and void. Hagajo ka komro kat kandas ba kat wei ka ba kini ki copy and paste. Ke MD government ka Sushim, it just took the recommendation 1911, copy paste, and then went into a negotiation with Assam at the mercy of the Assam government, at the mercy of Himanta Biswa Sarma. What is the result? The result is psychic terrorism. Balik on psychic terrorism. Mukro, today is 1 month. 5 lives were lost. 6 with that forest guard who was accidentally shot by them. 5 of our people, precious lives of our people were lost on the ground. Their blood has flowed. It has soaked the ground. This is why I say psychic terrorism. You sit on our land, you encroach more, you shoot our people, and then you say that this is your right. Kata kali ka kapasay man. Pi kani ya ka jaka ka jungi. Pi ong he ngin ai, na ka jaka jung pi ngin ai. Pi turbiang kiale persa ki beri jungi. Pi siap yak beki ka play ka snam. Kade ka psychic terrorism ka baka state of Assam, but ke MDA government, they have placed us under. Ngakwa kan syait kedar kani. Baka failure jong ke MDA government kalong, clearing kalong, syaba pala. Namar kata kadal, ngakwa bagi paiba jong ke kasi jantia, ki paiba nyofret, kin suthu ba, ngidon ki kot kisla, ngidon ka hop. But ni hap banya tali banya le. Kajuro Garo Hills. In 1983, the discussion for Garo Hills was still going on. But why is it in the 12 areas identified for discussion, for agreement, for solution between Assam government and Meghalaya government, no consideration was taken of the questions of Garo Hills? Kini serious questions ki bagi hapat kali.
Ipashaka notification ka kalai pasang buhay.